In this video, I'll talk about converting percent by volume to molarity. Subscribe the channel, ring the notification bell. Finally, watch the video until the end. Converting percent by volume to molarity. For example, calculate molarity of 5% by volume ethanol solution, and the density of ethanol here is 0.789 gram per milliliter. Now let us consider the given quantity. Percent by volume is equal to 5%. Density of ethanol is given, which is equal to 0.789 gram per mole. The required quantity is that convert percent by volume into molarity. Solution. Molarity is equal to mole phase solute over volume phase solution in liter. Now let us consider, before that we don't know the value of volume phase solution. Again, we don't know the value of mole of solution, therefore we cannot calculate molarity phase solution. Therefore, to calculate molarity phase solution, we must know the value of mole phase solute and volume of phase solution. To calculate mole phase solute, let us consider the given quantity, that is 5% by volume. 5% by volume is equal to 5 ml of solute per 100 ml of solution. From this, we can conclude that volume of a solution is equal to 100 ml, equal to 0.1 liter, and volume of ethanol is equal to 5 ml. Now, density of ethanol is equal to mass of ethanol over volume of ethanol, which is equal to 5 ml, but we don't know mass of ethanol. So we cannot directly calculate density of ethanol. Therefore, first we must determine mass of ethanol. Now, mass of ethanol is equal to density of ethanol times volume of ethanol. So density of ethanol is equal to 0.789 gram per mole. Volume of ethanol is 5 ml. Finally, density of ethanol is mass of ethanol is equal to 0.945 gram. Now, time to calculate mole of ethanol. Mole of ethanol is equal to mass of ethanol upon molar mass of ethanol. Molar mass of ethanol is equal to carbon 12 into 2, which is equal to 24, hydrogen 1 into 6, which is equal to 6, oxygen 60 into 1, which is equal to 16, finally 24 plus 6 plus 16, which is equal to 46 gram. Now mole of ethanol is equal to 0.945 gram upon 46 gram per mole, which is equal to 0.086 mole of ethanol. Now, molarity of ethanol is equal to mole of ethanol upon volume of solution. We know the value of mole of ethanol, we know the value of volume of solution, so finding molarity is so simple. 0.086 mole upon 0.1 liter, which is equal to 0.86 mole per liter, which is equal to 0.86 molarity. Have a wonderful time and subscribe the channel, again ring the notification bell.